welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, let's talk about our skincare essential. I feel that this is really the perfect time for us to keep up with our skincare and to show that extra love for our skin. We probably already neglected our skincare for the past month or the past year because of our hectic schedule. So this is really the perfect time for us to keep up with this simplest thing, something that we really can do from the comfort of our house, and it is really important. I mean, skin is the reflection of us, so I hope that you really do your skincare even though you're busy, not only during this period of time where we do stay at home, but this is something that you have to do religiously every single day, no matter what, no matter how busy you are, because it's just that important. The product that I'm going to show you today is the product that I've been loving for the past month, for the past year. It's not something new, but it's just something that is very suitable for my skin type. I do have a very dry skin type and sometimes a bit oily in my T-zone because I'm staying in Singapore. In Singapore, the weather can be quite humid and hot, so sometimes I'm going to have some oil in my T-zone, but other than that, most of the time my skin type is very dry skin type. So if you have that similar skin type to me, you're gonna love all of this product that I'm going to tell you about. Anyway, if you're new to my channel, hello, my name is June. I'm posting video every single week. For now, I'm posting twice a week, every Wednesday and Saturday, because I just wanted to show some support, send some love for everyone who is stay at home, to have some entertainment to watch by posting more of my videos. So hopefully you're gonna enjoy this video and show me some support as well by subscribing down below. I'm posting a lot about my luxury handbag because I just obsess about luxury handbag, but of course it's not limited to that. I also posting about today my skincare, about my beauty, about my fashion and my shopping haul. So yeah, let's be friends and cheer up together by subscribing down below. Alright, without further ado, let's go started with the first item. Alright, so I'm going to show you all the product follows with the step that I usually use them in my face. So the first one definitely going to be my face serum. My face serum here is from Mamonde at the moment, is the Red Energy Recovery Serum right here. So I really love this serum. This serum is not that sticky, a little bit like watery type, also a little bit jelly, so it can be stick to your face, and it is really give that extra hydration to my face. That what I really like about this product. And I also really love the smell of it. It just smells incredibly good and fresh. So the first step that I'm going to use definitely is going to be my face serum, which is from Mamonde right here. Followed by that, usually after face serum, I'm going to put my eye cream. I do really have a very bad dark circle because I just lack of sleep, because I've been very attached with some Korean drama at the moment. So I watch that until midnight and even sometimes more than midnight, and yeah, it's just not good for my dark circle. So I usually use this It Cosmetic Confidence in eye cream. I love the consistency and the formula because the formula is just super creamy. I love it, and it just gives that extra moisturize under my eyes, and it's really help with the wrinkle. At the moment, I do not see any wrinkle yet at my eyes, but hopefully it's going to stay that way because I religiously put up my eye cream no matter what, because I feel that if you ask me what is the most important product in my skincare, I'm going to tell you that it's my eye cream, because I feel that eyes is the first thing that we are going to look at when you look at people. So I feel that you really have to take care of your eyes first. Eyes is the most important part, in my opinion. You don't have to agree with me, but I feel that eyes is super important. So sometimes, yeah, I'm going to put up this eye cream, and if I feel that I need some extra touch, I'm going to go in with my L'Occitane as well. I have this eye cream from L'Occitane, and it is also comes in a pump. It also feels very nice, very creamy, super comfortable in my eyes, and I love that kind of rich consistency of eye cream. I don't like something that is just runny or just a very thin layer, because I need that extra richness under my eyes, as my eyes is not doing that well. I think so, not doing that well in my opinion. So yeah, there is two eye cream that I've been using at the moment. Sometimes if I feel that I need extra step, I will just combine these two eye cream together, and then I will just layer it on top of each other, and I'm going to sleep with that. Normally if it's in the daytime, I will just use either one of these, but at nighttime sometimes I will just pad it up by combining these two. So yeah, this is from the It Cosmetic, and this one is from Lokita. Moving up with my day cream. So this is something that I use from Clinique. This is the Dramatically Different Oil Control Gel. This is mostly for, I would say, for oily skin, but when I use it, I feel that it is really nice as well, even though I have a dry skin type, because I love the consistency that you feel is thin at your face. Is not going to give you that heaviness in the skin, because that's what I like during the daytime, because you are moving here and there. Singapore is very hot, and you are not going to just stay in a aircon 24 hours a day. You are sometimes maybe just going out to just pick up some food or do something else, and you tend to just sweat very fast. So yeah, I just really like something that is moisturized enough but is not feel heavy in our face. So this is something that I've been loving, and this insert is something that you can pick up. You can pick whichever function that you wanted. So they comes with a different type of function that you can get for the insert. I can't really remember well what is the insert that I'm using now. I think it's something like Youthful and Radiance, for radiance look for the insert. So yeah, at the moment I'm using this Clinique one for my day cream. So right now, let's move on to the night cream. I have two products here. One is from Mamonde, another one is from Fresh. So if you need something is just a little bit lighter, you can go with the Mamonde Flower Bitter Orange one. So the formula is a little bit thinner compared to the Fresh one, and I really love the smell of this bitter orange. It just smells incredibly good. It's moisturized enough, but if you are someone like me, which is I do have sometimes a very dry skin, so when I do need that extra love to my skin, I will use this Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Dream Face Cream instead, because this one is a little bit more thicker and a little bit more creamier compared to the Mamonde one, but ultimately it is also smell incredible. It's very moisturizing and it is very creamy. So yeah, I've been loving these two products, and sometimes if I need to, I will just layer it up. I just, you know, for skincare, I feel that there's no right and wrong. So when you just wanted to pad up more, or you just wanted to mix up some product, you can, because it is up to you. It is your skin, you know your skin best. So yeah, sometimes I will just mix it up also, but if not, sometimes I will just use this one if I just need a thin layer, or if I need some thick layer, I will just go in with the Fresh Lotus Preserve. So the last one that I'm going to show is my lip balm. So this lip balm is from Innisfree. It's called my lip balm Sky Vanilla 3. I really love the applicator though, which is like this. You can just apply it directly to your lips. You don't have to use your finger, because I don't really like the type of some lip balm that you have to dip into your finger and then you just mash it to your lips, because sometimes I feel that our finger is not going to be that clean. So I really love the applicator of this one, and I feel that this is super moisturized. When you just put it up during daytime or nighttime, you will leave with a very juicy kind of moisturized lips, which is very important, because I do have a very flaky and chapped dry lips, which is sometimes is not really good looking. So I really love to just put up some lip balm. Although it is moisturized, it's not going to give you that stickiness, you know, the stickiness that sometimes our hair will just stick into our lips and it's just feel very uncomfortable. This is not going to do that. This is just very creamy, but it's just feel very comfortable in our lips, and it's not going to stick your hair, your strand of hair in your lips. So yeah, I've been loving this one and loving the applicator as well. and most importantly, this is going to be super affordable. I mean, if you know Innisfree, all of the product is just super affordable, and yeah, I feel that it's a very great product. So guys, I feel that this is something that I have to share with you as well. So if you need some extra love for your nose, you also can use this nose strip, because I feel that sometimes we do have that kind of blackhead in our nose that we need to take out, because at the moment we probably cannot go to our clinic and we cannot do the extraction from our clinic. So yeah, this is something that you can just get from everywhere online, or you know, you can just order it everywhere. So this is going to be fun for you to have your blackhead with your partner or with your sister or with your friends, probably if you are staying together. So yeah, this is something that I can recommend for you to use if you have sometimes at home. Sometimes I also going to put up some eye gel patch, which is, I love it. This is something that I really need to, because I'm not born with a very perfect under eyes, and I do tend to have a very dark circle. So this is something that I like to put under my eyes if I have that extra 5 to 10 minutes at night. This is something that I'm going to do. And of course, last but not least, is going to be a face mask. Different variety, a lot of different type of face mask that you can try. Doesn't have to be the same brand that I'm showing you today, but yeah, you know the drill. Is just a face mask that you can do when you have some extra time and you feel that your skin needs some extra love. So just put up some face mask and wait for 10 minutes while you're listening to a very good music. It's going to be fun. And yeah, it's going to be relaxing and it's going to be very, very fun. So yeah, that is all the product that I'm sharing with you today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know as well what kind of product, what kind of routine of your skincare that you usually do nowadays, because I really like to try them too if it really works for you. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a like and a subscribe. I see you in my next video. Bye!